Hi there. Welcome to Fitness First Gym.
Hello, thank you. I am interested in joining.
That is great to hear. Is this your first time at a gym?
Yes, it is. I have never been to a gym before.
No problem at all. Everyone starts somewhere.
I am a little nervous, to be honest.
Do not worry. We will take care of you. What is your fitness goal?
I want to lose some weight and get healthier.
Those are excellent goals, very achievable with the right plan.
I hope so. I have been wanting to do this for a long time.
Well, today is a great day to start. Let me ask you some questions.
Sure, go ahead.
Do you prefer cardio exercises or weight training?
What is the difference exactly?
Cardio is running, cycling, and activities that increase your heart rate. Weight training builds muscle strength.
I think I prefer cardio. I like moving around.
Perfect. Cardio is great for losing weight and improving heart health.
That sounds like what I need.
Let me show you around. Follow me to the cardio area.
Okay, I'm excited to see everything.
This is the treadmill. It is perfect for walking and running.
It looks easy to use.
It is. Let me show you how to start. Step on carefully.
All right, I'm on.
Good. Please walk slowly for 5 minutes to warm up your body.
Okay, just walking. That seems simple.
Yes, warming up is very important. It prevents injuries.
That makes sense. I do not want to hurt myself.
Exactly. After the warm-up, we can try some light weights, even though I prefer cardio.
Yes?
A little weight training helps build muscle and burn more calories.
Oh, I did not know that. That sounds helpful.
Do not worry, I will guide you step by step through everything.
Thank you so much. That makes me feel more comfortable.
That's what I'm here for. One more important thing.
What is that?
Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water during your workout.
I brought a water bottle with me.
Perfect. You are already prepared. How often do you plan to come?
I was thinking 3 times a week.
That is ideal for beginners. Give your body time to rest between workouts.
Great. I'm really looking forward to this.
You will do great. Enjoy your first workout.
Thank you so much, Coach. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome. See you next time. Hello. Thank you for calling Mario's Pizza. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like to order a pizza for delivery, please.
Sure, I would be happy to help. What size pizza would you like?
I think a medium size would be perfect.
Medium. Good choice. What kind of crust do you prefer?
What options do you have for the crust?
We have thin crust, regular crust, and thick crust.
I will go with regular crust, please.
Regular crust it is. Now, what toppings would you like?
I would like pepperoni and extra cheese, please.
Excellent choice. Pepperoni and extra cheese. Very popular.
Yes, I love that combination. It is my favorite.
Would you like any vegetables on it? Mushrooms or peppers?
No vegetables today, just the pepperoni and cheese.
Okay, no problem. Would you like any drinks with your order?
Yes, I would like a cola, please.
What size? We have small, medium, and large bottles.
A large bottle would be great.
Perfect. Would you like any sides with your pizza?
What sides do you have available?
We have garlic bread, chicken wings, and mozzarella sticks.
The garlic bread sounds delicious. I will take 1 order of that.
Garlic bread. Excellent. Anything else you would like to add?
No, I think that is everything.
Let me repeat your order. 1 medium pepperoni pizza with extra cheese, regular crust, 1 large cola, and 1 garlic bread.
Yes, that is correct.
Great. Can I have your delivery address, please?
Yes, it is 45 Maple Street, apartment 3B.
45 Maple Street, apartment 3B. Got it.
That is right.
And may I have your phone number in case we need to contact you?
Sure, it is 555-1234.
Thank you. Your total comes to $20.50.
Okay, I will pay with cash when it arrives.
No problem. Cash on delivery is fine.
How long will the delivery take?
It will be about 30 minutes, maybe a little less.
Perfect. That is not too long.
Thank you for ordering from Mario's Pizza.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
You too. Enjoy your pizza.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Quick Stop Gas Station.
Good afternoon. Thank you. I need some petrol.
Of course. How can I help you today?
Please fill up the tank with petrol.
Sure. You want a full tank, right?
Yes, please fill it all the way up.
No problem. Do you want regular or premium petrol?
What is the difference between them?
Premium is higher quality. It is better for some engines.
I see. Regular petrol is fine for my car.
Okay, regular it is. Could you please turn off the engine?
Oh, of course. Let me do that now. Done.
Thank you. It is safer to fill the tank with the engine off.
I understand. Safety first.
Exactly. This will take just a few minutes.
No problem. I am not in a hurry.
Your car looks very nice. Is it new?
Yes, I just bought it last month. It is my first new car.
Congratulations. That is exciting. What made you choose this model?
I like the design and it is very fuel efficient.
That is important. These days, petrol prices keep going up.
I know. That is why I wanted a car that saves fuel.
Smart choice. This model has a good reputation.
Thank you. I am very happy with it so far.
Should I check the oil level for you?
That would be great. Thank you for offering.
No problem. Let me take a look.
I appreciate the extra service.
The oil level looks good. You do not need to add any.
That is good to know. Thanks for checking.
The tank is now full. You are all set.
Wonderful. How much do I need to pay?
The total is $45.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. That is very kind of you.
You provided great service. I appreciate it.
Thank you. We try our best for every customer.
Do you have a car wash here too?
Yes, we do. It is around the back of the station.
Maybe I will come back for that another day.
You are always welcome. Have a safe drive today.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I am fine, thanks. Going up?
Yes, I am. Which floor are you going to?
I am going to the 8th floor. What about you?
I need to go to the 5th floor, please.
Sure, I will press the button for you.
Thank you very much. That is kind of you.
No problem at all. Here we go.
This is a nice building, very modern.
Yes, it is. They renovated it last year.
I can tell. Everything looks so new and clean.
What is on the 5th floor? Are you visiting someone?
Yes, there's a doctor's clinic on that floor.
Oh, I see. Are you visiting the doctor today?
Yes, just for a regular checkup. Nothing serious.
That is good. Regular checkups are very important.
Absolutely. Health is the most important thing we have.
I completely agree with you on that.
Do you work in this building?
Yes, I do. I work on the 8th floor.
What kind of office is up there?
It is a software company. I work as a programmer.
That sounds very interesting. Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I love it. Every day is different and challenging.
That is wonderful. It is important to enjoy your job.
It is. I feel very lucky to do what I love.
How long have you worked there?
About 3 years now. Time flies so fast.
It really does. 3 years goes by quickly.
Oh, here's your floor, the 5th floor.
Thank you so much for the nice conversation.
It was my pleasure. I enjoyed talking with you.
Me too. I hope your workday goes well.
Thank you, and I hope your checkup goes smoothly.
Thanks. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care of yourself.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you around.
Hi there. Welcome to Burger Town. How can I help you today?
Hi, this is my first time here. Can I see the menu, please?
Sure. The menu is right up there above the counter. We have burgers, fries, pizza, chicken, and drinks.
Great, thank you. Let me take a look.
Take your time. Let me know when you are ready to order.
Okay, everything looks good. I think I will have a cheeseburger.
Excellent choice. The cheeseburger is very popular. Do you want regular or large size?
What is the difference in price?
Regular is $4, large is $5.50, and comes with more meat.
I will take the regular one. That is enough for me.
Regular cheeseburger. Got it. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. Fries are my favorite.
What size fries? Small, medium, or large?
Small fries, please. I do not want to eat too much.
Small fries. Good choice. And would you like a drink?
Yes, I would like a cola, please.
We have cola in medium and large. Which would you prefer?
Medium is fine. That is just the right amount.
Perfect. Would you like to add any dipping sauces?
What sauces do you have?
We have ketchup, mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, and mustard.
I will take ketchup and mayonnaise, please.
No problem. Those are included for free.
Oh, that is great. Thank you.
Let me confirm your order. 1 regular cheeseburger, small fries, and a medium cola with ketchup and mayo.
Yes, that is correct.
Would you like to eat here or take away?
I will eat here, please. The restaurant looks nice.
Great. Your total is $8.50.
Here is $10.
Thank you. And here is your change, $1.50.
Thanks a lot. How long will the food take?
Just about 5 minutes. It is very quick.
Perfect. I will wait at that table by the window.
Sure, I will bring your order to you when it is ready.
Thank you. I appreciate the great service.
You are welcome. Enjoy your meal. Good afternoon. Welcome to Fresh Fruit Market.
Good afternoon. Thank you. This place looks wonderful.
Thank you. We have the freshest fruits in town.
I can see that. Everything looks so colorful and fresh.
We get new deliveries every morning from local farms.
That explains why everything looks so good.
How can I help you today? What are you looking for?
I need some fruits for the week. Let me look around first.
Of course. Take your time. Let me know if you have questions.
These apples look very fresh and shiny. How much are they?
The apples are $3 per kilo. They are very sweet.
They look delicious. I will take 1 kilo, please.
1 kilo of apples. Good choice. Here you go.
Thank you. What else do you recommend?
Our bananas are very popular. They are perfectly ripe today.
Yes, I need bananas too. How much are they?
Bananas are $2 per dozen. Very affordable.
That is a good price. I will take 1 dozen, please.
1 dozen bananas. Here are some nice ones for you.
These look perfect. Not too green and not too ripe.
Exactly. They will stay fresh for several days.
Wonderful. Do you have any oranges today?
Yes, we have beautiful oranges. Very juicy and sweet.
How much are the oranges?
Oranges are $4 per kilo.
I only need a few. Can I have half a kilo?
Of course, half a kilo is no problem at all.
Thank you.
Let me weigh them for you. Are there any other fruits you need today?
Do you have any grapes?
Yes, we have red grapes and green grapes. Both are delicious.
How much are the red grapes?
Red grapes are $5 per kilo.
Maybe next time. I think I have enough for today.
No problem. Let me add up your total.
Sure. How much is everything?
1 kilo of apples, 1 dozen bananas, and half a kilo of oranges. That is $7 total.
Great. Here is a $10 bill.
Thank you. And here is your change, $3.
Thanks. Everything looks so fresh and nice.
Thank you for shopping with us. Please come again soon.
I definitely will. Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy your fruits.